250. 250 I think we're up to. I think this is the 5th section. I've really lost count, guys. Oh my goodness. Lost count videos. Why? 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 This will be the only one I do for you guys, I promise. Yes. This will be the only video I do for you guys on counting my locs. So don't ever ask for it in the future. You ask for it in the future, I'm going to come back with a count and let you guys know. I'll report back to the team, okay? Hello, hello, and welcome back. I am Rishaya Reese, your LOC LIONESS, and today we are going to be doing a LOC count video. Alright, so this video is going to be pretty short. We're going to get straight into it, but first, if you have not already, of course, subscribe. Much appreciated. Much love to you guys. And like this video if you enjoy the content from today. So, as you all know, I do have Microlocs, and they're not sister locks. I just wanted to clarify that for anyone. Sister locks, they're patented. They have a certain technique, a method used for interlocking, a specific technique that is done with those, and it has to be done by a certified consultant or trainee, and I did mine myself as 2-strand twist. So just wanted to clarify that I do have DIY Microlocs that I'm very proud of, and I've been locked now for just about a month and a half, and yeah, I thought it would be fun to do a LOC count video with you guys today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be sectioning my hair off into, I think, like sections of 50, and then I'll just add those up at the end. Alright, let's do it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 49 and 50. Alright, so I'm gonna stick with 50 because I already got 50 in this one, but I have counted my locs once before, and I think I did it in about like 20, somewhere between 20 and 30 per section, and that was much easier. But I'm gonna stick with the 50 because that's what I said. So we're sticking with the 50 here, and obviously I'm doing it on camera for you guys because, you know, I want you guys to join in this with me, and of course don't want my credibility questioned on how many locs that I have. So yeah, I wanted to do it in front of you guys just to show you what's going on in my head. But yeah, so that's 50. That's the first section there. Let's move on to the next one. So we got 51, 52. is 100. Oh man, and I am really struggling right now to count these. I think it's because also too, I took my hair out of like twisted bantus, and so my hair is very curly right now, so it's just like bang bang, spring spring, and yeah, so it's hard to hold on to the hairs. But that is my second section of 50, so that's 100 just in that section there. I'm gonna do this section here. Hopefully you guys can see my entire head, and yes, once again, no bra on. Sometimes I just like to let the girls free. Anyways, third section, moving on to, that is 1, 2, and 50. Okay, another section of 50. I know I cannot make up my mind, you guys, but as you can see, that is my third section of 50. So what does that make, class? Yes, 150. Yay, good job. Okay, so we're up to 150 right now. Just counting all along, and I can definitely see why a lot of people with Microlocs, they don't even bother counting their locks unless they're getting done by a loctician or something like that, because it's a little bit tricky when they're so small and they're bing boing all over the place as well. But yeah, right now we got 150, and I'm gonna keep going because I do this for you guys. Alright, so we got, I think I'm going to do this back section here. Is that low-key a look? I think it's a look. 1. 'Y'all see that number 28 right there? That is, you probably can't see that, but that one is very close to, like, that is a budding lock. It's definitely on its way to locking, Locktown. Hi, baby girl. This is Lila. That's 28. $200 and still counting. $200. My fourth section down, so we're up to 200 locks at the moment. Still got this section left to go, and I was gonna do some little extra tidbits about my hair type, texture, and you know how it was, kind of still is as a loose natural, just to give you a bit more information. Sorry, that is my phone. 1 second. Okay, we gotta call mom back after this, guys. I'm actually gonna save that for another video because I didn't think that it would be so tricky to do a lock count in one video. So I'm gonna save that, as well as what I've named my locks, and also just a few other things about the personality of my different locks and how they're changing at their own speed. Got a little bit of that with that lock that I was trying to show you guys in the back. I'll do a close-up later on and give you more of that information, but for this video we're just gonna stick to the lock count. So we're up to 200. Let's keep going. We need one more. And 50 in the back there. 250. 250 I think we're up to. I think this is the 5th section. I've really lost count, guys. Oh my goodness. Lock count videos. Why? 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 This will be the only one I do for you guys, I promise. Yes. This will be the only video I do for you guys on counting my locks. So don't ever ask for it in the future. You ask for it in the future, I'm gonna come back with a count and let you guys know. I'll report back to the team, okay? Okay. So last section, maybe 2 more sections. 1. Okay, I don't think the camera caught that one at finishing up, but that was yet another section of 50. This is gonna be my last one. Maybe that's 50, maybe it's less than 50. Let's find out. We got 1 baby 1, 2 baby 1, 3 baby 1, 4 baby 1, 5 baby 1. That's a regular one, that's 6. 33, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40, and 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46. 46 in that last section, guys. So, if we are right here, I've got a total of 346 locks, which does sound about right to me because I remember I had like 346 originally, and then I just wanted to get to, or I had 348 originally, I think, 348, and I really wanted to get to 50, so then I like separated a couple to increase it just so I have an easy number of 350. So I separated a couple, and then I went back through around my edges in particular, I think, and I was like, these ones are just too small by themselves. And I want them to be strong in the future. So I went back through and I connected a few that I thought were too weak on their own. But yeah, so I've got 346 locks as of today. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. I am Rishaya Reese, your lock lioness, and I will be back with you next time. In the meantime, remember that we journey to our own set of rules, so be true to yourself, and until next time, see you later.